This cyclist definitely had his lucky charm with him at the race. Want to see the luckiest dog in the world? This helicopter was supposed to deliver the president of Bolivia, Evo Morales, but malfunctioned immediately after takeoff. Thankfully, they managed to land it safely without any harm to the passengers. And this couple decided to parasail over the waters swarming with sharks. In the end, people were lucky and sharks were not. They remained hungry. It's a good job the skier decided to check whether he can safely go that way. Otherwise, that descent would not have gone as planned.